Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one from Australia. This is Suimin Origins Premium Noodle Bowl Seafood Laksa flavor. I really like laksa, I'll be honest. Not only that, I like Southeast Asian laksa. I don't really know where else it comes from, technically. I guess there would be... I don't know. But yeah. Laksa time on the Ramen Rater. Yeah, baby. So, what do we got here? We have an included fork. Coconut milk powder, laksa paste, looks like shrimp and onions, and finally, chili. 400 milliliters of water. Oh, no. Turn you off anyway. Alright, so here's the laksa paste. A lot of paste in these. And, aromatic, nice, good stuff. And then, one of the best thickeners on the open market for instant noodles in my... Oh no! Fell on the floor, ladies and gentlemen. One of the best is coconut milk powder. I love coconut milk powder being used rather than non-dairy creamer because, you know, it's just... It's coconut milk powder. Come on. And we add the water. Yeah, that's really something. Okay, and 2 minutes. 1, 2, boom. And away we go on our journey to laksa. So, yeah, I guess as of today, I've been doing my diet for about, at least my today. By the time it's your today, it'll be like an extra 30 days at least. I think. But, I think it'll be, I think it's 60 days that I've been on my diet. And honestly, I'm just enjoying it. Like, but you're eating instant noodles every day. No. Granted, there was one that I had recently to review. I was like, oh man, I can't throw another egg down the sink. So I had an egg, and I had a little bit of noodles, and I weighed it all out, and I think I had like 100 calories of instant noodles. Yeah. But it was nice, you know? Honestly, having taste of the soup, taste of the noodles, all that kind of just is all I really feel like. I feel satisfied after that these days. So yeah. Getting exercise. Trying to stay fit. It's all good. But technically, if I got as much exercise every day as I really wanted to, I could eat a whole thing of big old pot of noodles every day and just be like, uh-huh. But shut up. I don't know. I got a long ways to go, and I don't know. I'm happy. I'm as happy as can be. Alright, so we stir this up. The paste and the coconut powder. And then we add in the remaining. We've got, yeah, looks like shrimp, chilies, and possibly some onion. Which is cool. I can get with that. So we'll drop that in. Very rarely do I see shrimp that are of the size I would like to see them. But then again, shrimp of the size I'd like to see them, you might as well just buy fresh. That's what I do. So, and they will hydrate, but shrimp are kind of on the pricier end of the spectrum. You get freeze-dried 31 to 40 count per pound shrimp. And put them in. Put like 5 of them in per noodle pot. Just set. Okay, and it calls for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna do 2.5. There we go. So there we go. And it keeps. Amazon Alexa has stopped. Apps crashing on my phone. What up with that? Not a big fan. But that's all right. So I'm still waiting for Christmas. Was Christmas good? Did anything crazy happen? You're in the future. I mean, you've got the temporal mechanics on your side to know things that I don't. But oh, predictions. Because it'll be New Year. You're in the new year. Let's see. Mueller probe continues. And continues and continues. More people get indicted. They're creeping ever so much closer. Natural disaster. Northern Hemisphere. And some leader has an extremely embarrassing event happen to them. I don't know what, but I see that. So, I am not a medium. I'm not one of those people. No. I just think this is fun. So I've done okay, I think, in the past, right? I've had people go like, "Hey, you were good on 2 out of 3 of those things." But usually the things Betty White is dead. There you go. Betty White dies. There's always a friend of mine, she does a predictions for the next year, and every year I say, Betty White dies. Nothing against Betty White. She's hella funny, but yeah, it's your time. Before the new year. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. God, that's creepy. I hope she doesn't. Then people are going to think like, hey, you did it. No. I don't do such things. I don't go and slay geriatric entertainer celebrity folk. That's just not my thing. What is my thing is the way this smells. Ooh, and that color. Oh, boy, buddy, boy. Yeah, look at the color of this broth. Baby, wow. You see that? Yeah, that looks nice. I'm gonna give this a taste with my face. Thick. Interesting. Where'd those little shrimpies go? Come here, shrimpy shrimp. That one of you? I think that's one of them. And shrimp's good. I like it. Now, let's add in some squid, shrimp, fish ball, squid, shrimp, fish ball. Tofu puff. Coriander. Mung bean sprouts. And spring onion. Whoops. I dropped a spring onion on my leg. And now, let's take this big seething pot of noodles and other ingredients and drop it in the pot. And give it a nice stir. Kind of wanting most of these things to stay on the bottom, because then when I flip it over into the bowl, they'll be on top. Alright. Are we ready? Bowl. Pot. On. Top. Ish. That is lovely. There you go. Get your shrimp, fish ball, tofu puff way back here, saying, hey, where's my broth? Wow, this broth is so freaking thick. Just not giving it up, is it? So, yeah. And oh, I was gonna throw an egg on top. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, where'd my egg spoon go? Isn't it here? It's somewhere. There you are. I have to use this spoon or things just don't go as perfectly as I like. And 1, 2, 3. And 4, 5, 6. And 7, 8, 9. Sometimes it takes just a little bit of patience. Because if you can't rush a good egg. There you go. Come on. Ah, it's crowning. Come on. Come on. There you go. And we got egg. Ugh. What a pain in the egg. There. The only thing that didn't work exactly perfect was the egg, but it worked good enough. I'm happy as a clam. I won't complain about that. And nor should you. Unless you really find it necessary to. And what do I also like in laksa? Well, I absolutely freaking love fried onion. Can't go wrong with that. And well, there you have it. There's your laksa. I wonder if by the time this is shown, if somebody saw me begging for a little spinny McSpin thing and sent me one. Because if you did, that was really kind. And if you don't know what I'm talking about and think I sound like a nut job, you know those things that the people put jewelry on? It'd be nice to be able to put this on it and just like flip a switch and just have it slowly rotate. I think that'd be hot. Yeah. Pray for me, folks. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Thank you very much to Suimin down in Australia for shooting these over. And yeah, for me right now, this is the third one. And actually, I think for you, this is probably the first one. But I will say all three, all 5 stars, all amazing, excellent, wonderful, good job. Market them internationally. Thank you and bye.